So my name is Alina. I'm a sophomore at University of Illinois. I've been in Campus Inc. since approximately like winter of 2019. So my design process usually starts with like I find inspiration in random things. A lot of the times it will be in a shirt that I will see like on a website and I'll be like, oh, like that's cool. I could make something out of it. But sometimes I do find like random, I don't know, like an art piece or whatever it may be. And I'll just kind of start brainstorming ideas. So like I'll put like artboards and I'll have like different variations of the same thing and then kind of play around with all of those in different ways. And then eventually I'll put it on like a blank shirt or a sweatshirt or whatever it may be and see how it looks on that and then also play around with that. So coming in, I actually didn't have a lot of experience designing necessarily on a computer or Illustrator. My advice for new designers would be to honestly look up YouTube videos on how to use Illustrator because like it is also one of those things that's like really confusing at first. So I'd look up YouTube videos and stuff and I'm still learning like because the more you practice, the more like YouTube videos you look up, the more things you do like that, the better you'll get and you just discover new like features of it and stuff like that and you also learn how to kind of look for inspiration in things other than, oh, here's a shirt I found from, let's say, whatever, Michigan um, Kappa, and here's a shirt, and I'm going to just remake that for us. But you learn how to kind of put your own thing into it rather than just copying somebody else's. So I've seen designs from different companies, different schools in terms of Greek life over the years. I just always thought they were all very generic and all kind of in a way looked the same. And there weren't anything that was necessarily like trendy or like in style for the moment. And now because people are starting to design more like streetwear style and things that are kind of more trendy. I think it's really cool because it kind of changes like Greek life apparel in a way.